The new version of Unity marks the first release in the 2018 cycle, and I have to say I was blown away by this one. The build is in public beta right now, and I definitely encourage you to check it out. There'll of course be a link for that in the description. This video is sponsored by Unity. We've worked together to make sure all the information is accurate. Now there's a lot to cover, so let's get right to it. Here's what's new in Unity 2018.1. So the first and probably biggest change in 2018 is that Unity is introducing a whole new rendering architecture known as the Scriptable Render Pipeline, or SRP for short. SRP is meant to make it easier to customize and extend the built-in render pipeline. This is done by replacing the main rendering pipeline with so-called renderlets.
This is Mixed Reality News.
I'm the only person out here that you can trust.